Alright, what's up, YouTube? Got a couple packages, so I'm about to open them up. I'm not sure what they are, cause I ordered a lot of stuff, but I'm about to open them up. So let me put the camera down. It's a CD. Hey, matter of fact, 2 CDs. I know that. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down one more time. Alright, here we go. Lil Wayne, I Am Not a Human Being. And the other CD is Wiz Khalifa, Dilla No Deal. Oh shit. And I have another package. There you go. Looks like another CD. Yep. Lil Wayne Rebirth. So, the unboxings for today are Lil Wayne Rebirth, Wiz Khalifa, Dilla No Deal, and Lil Wayne, I Am Not a Human Being. I should be getting a couple more packages that are not CDs in like a couple days. So, whenever they come, I'm gonna make a video and let y'all know. Alright, peace.